Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do this quick video with you today to just go through a little Q&A. I haven't been able to get back to your comments for quite some time, so I thought I would actually do it in a recording and just sort of try and go through it quickly and answer each one for you. Some of the questions that I've been receiving. So let's start here at the top. So you might hear my little one in the background. He's quite keen to be on this video as well. I'm going to start off with Greybeard. I have more than one account and Magic Keys enters trades in both accounts. Not good. Any idea how to stop it? I've not actually had that for myself, so it's maybe best going straight to the Magic Keys website. There's loads of FAQs on there and you can get some really good support from them. Okay, moving down. So the pending order button will open, say, a limit order or a stop order depending on where the price is and if you're buying or selling. That is correct, but I don't actually use this risk calculator anymore. I haven't for a few years actually, because I much prefer Magic Keys. It's just a lot better. Ryan Spence. Rox is fantastic. I've been in his course from 2019 and have 3 funded 100k accounts. Well done. We live trade nearly every day with himself and his other mentors. His community is fantastic. That's really good to hear. It's great to hear that it's a good experience from Rox. So if anyone else is considering, it might be worth checking out the Rox FX Academy. Let's find some more questions. Have you got a question? Have you got a question? What do you mean by carried over? It was just my way of saying it carried on. It continued into the next day. So I held the trade overnight. And I'm really glad you're enjoying the videos, Tall Dave. It's a cute dog you've got too. And just a heads up guys, this is a fake account here, so I do my best to try and report these to YouTube, but please don't take any notice of these. Green Up. Hi Emily, your videos are really interesting. And in one of the comments on here, you said you would have preferred to learn more about price action at a much slower pace. I wonder in my case if I'm going to learn about market trading, but would you suggest for a newbie like me to try and specialise in one part of trading, as in swing trading rather than day trading? And a day trading seems to be when I'm making headlines, but it seems very fast. Is that the kind of thing you meant? Basically, yeah, I think that as a newbie, it just kind of helps if you simplify it. Trading is pretty much, can get complicated, and people have a habit of making it complicated. So anything you can do to simplify it by harnessing your focus will really help you when you learn. What I'd suggest is decide on what's best for you and your lifestyle. So if you are trying to day trade, but you actually don't have that much spare time in the day, it's going to make it difficult for you. So try to pick something that fits with your routine. If swing trading is better, then stick with that. And just try to really focus your intent when it comes to what strategy you go with, what time frame you want to focus on. That'll help you out. But I'm glad that you're enjoying the videos. That's great, Paul. Dilip, not spoken to you for ages. How is it going? I hope all is well with you in the world. How far are you in the 5s bootcamp challenge? I'm not actually in the bootcamp challenge. To be honest, I haven't been in that challenge for quite some time. I think that I just kind of forgot about it with my newborn last year. It's been a hectic year, but I'm getting my focus back again and focusing more on that instant funding accounts. Are you still doing the bootcamp challenge? How's it going for you? Ooh, episode 12 and 13 and the 2022 ICT mentorship sound very enticing. I'll have to check those out. Great video, thank you. Just a quick one. How do you screen your charts with the ICT manual, or do you set alerts? Definitely set alerts. Once I have my trade plan, an idea of what I want to do, I'll set an alert in like a zone that I think price might come back to, where I'm then looking for a pattern. And then I might set another alert as well. So if I'm waiting for it to break a range, or once I'm actually in a trade, I'll set an alert at my stop and at my target, and just try to kind of frame it in that way as much as I can to help me to stop constantly checking the charts, because for me personally, that can help me with my trading psychology. Because looking on the charts all day is no way to live. Been trying to get you to see ICT and smart money concept trading. Yeah, I know. Subscribers, you've been telling me for a while. I'm finally listening to you. It's taken me a bit of time, but I'm getting there. Happy New Year to you too. Richard, quite honestly, I'm not sure what you're on about. I don't use Panda or Admiral markets for trading. I've not come across those. But as far as it comes to forex and stocks investments, not something I'm actually focusing on at the moment. I do have some stocks that I've invested with, but it's just not something I'm looking at the minute. I kind of prefer the hold. approach when it comes to investing, but investing is a very personal thing. And this channel, I'm sort of sticking with trading for now. What is the leverage for trading DE30 that allowed you to make 3% in this trade? This one I did a while ago. I think I actually used a Wonder for this, so it was probably a 30-to-1 leverage off the top of my head. But you should check out a Wonder's website if you want to know more about leverage with them. I don't use them anymore because I'm focusing more on trading with the 5%ers, and that I'll be using the broker that they provide. Hello Emily, do you have any community or groups that I can join? Oh, that's something I've been really kind of experimenting with over the years. I tried to make a Facebook community group a while ago, but it takes a lot of time to keep a community active, to be honest, and it's not something I have the luxury of right at the moment. It's definitely something I want to do, but I'm just kind of only able to give what I've got at this stage. I do have a Telegram group. In fact, I'll go into it here, the Monthly Trading Forex Analysis group. So again, I'm not posting as frequently as I may like to, but I do try to post on there every other day. So make sure you join because that's free to join. And I also have a Discord group that's a little bit inactive at the moment, but I may try and bring that back to life this year. I'll keep you posted. Okay, Brett, what are you saying here? So, hey, I am a long time follower of your channel. Amazing. As I'm seeking a similar path of prop funding, I noticed that you use Magic Keys. I've recently started using this as well. If you have time, could you do a short tutorial on setting up parameters or guide me in the direction of where I could learn how to set parameters? Yeah, sure. I've actually just upgraded Magic Keys to version 2, so I'll try and get around to doing a video on that soon, and I can do like a little tutorial in there if that helps you out. I do have one I did over a year ago, but again, it's a little bit old now. I'm interested in setting up the auto break even once I am 1% in profit. Would really appreciate your help. I think they do have some videos on their website, but you do kind of have to scroll about to try and find them. So I'll try and get around to doing that for you soon, Brett, and put a comment up with a link when that's up. Oh, thanks for the book recommendation, John Kerr. Mark Hancock, hope you're bringing out one for your ICT progression. Yep, just done it. Check it out, dude. Hashim, what is your opinion on prop firms who provide funds for stock trades like Trade the Pool? I checked out Trade the Pool. I haven't actually done anything with them yet because, as you know, I focus more on Forex. But I think it looks really legit, actually. I think it looks pretty good. I did have a bit of experience a few years ago day trading the US stock market, and Trade the Pool looked like a more professional approach because it kind of focused more on managing the risk, which is what it's all about when it comes to trading. So yeah, I'd check it out if you are a stock trader. Okay, this question is one that I do get asked quite a bit, and it's kind of cool to have the opportunity to address it with you guys. Please make a video on how much you actually make, or you can at least show us your MyFX book. The reason I've kind of avoided that is a lot to do with trading psychology. As you guys know, trading is difficult, and a lot of that is due to the actual psychology behind trading. So for example, I was having a really nice win streak last year. I made quite a good profit in kind of 4 consecutive months. And then I shared that on YouTube, and then it was almost like the pressure of sharing that on YouTube just made me nervous because I felt like it brings those performance nerves in even more. And I felt like I had to do good because I couldn't look bad. And it just totally knocked me off my center. It knocked me out of my center when it came to trading, and it took a lot of working to get back to that place, to center myself, to be able to perform at my best ability for trading. So I'm actually quite cautious when it comes to sharing things like that because I don't want to actually jeopardize my own trading performance. As I get more experienced in trading and probably get a stronger handle on my emotions in that way, then I will try to share more about that with you guys. But until then, this channel is to share my journey, really, to share, tips and tools, honest reviews of software to help you to try and avoid the mistakes that I've made in the past when it comes to signing up for unnecessarily expensive courses and all of that jazz that happens with trading. That's what this channel's about, and for connecting with fellow traders. You've probably noticed I'm not actually selling you guys anything. I'm not selling courses. I'm not trying to get money out of you. So I don't think it really matters at this stage. Locking Liberty Leslie, Happy New Year to you too. Someone else here mentioned Lux Trading. Someone had mentioned that to me as well last year, but I've not actually experienced Lux Trading. I don't know a lot about them. I'm kind of just focusing on trading with the 5%ers at the moment. But if you do have a go with them, let me know how you go on, and good luck to you. Windows of price action, what strategy are you working at now? Fair enough, I have chopped about quite a bit. But as you can see in my most recent video, working with the ICT mentorship, that is really helping me out. Jason, okay, are there any prop firms now which are currently able to be linked to TradingView? That's a good question. I'm not actually sure. Someone has commented below here saying Lux Trading Firm, Lux TradingView is one of the platforms that they support. So, you know, you could have a look into them. But I haven't actually looked into that because I quite like using the MetaTrader platform. So if you do stumble upon someone, you know, comment back and let us know. Enzo just created a video updating you, so check that out. Is new trading allowed on the 5%ers? Yep, it is. They don't have any restrictions. They're really good. What is the best course? No nonsense. That is the question of questions when it comes to trading. There's quite a few out there. Depends what you want to learn. Baby Pips is good if you want some free material to give you a good foundation in trading without costing you anything. And as I've said before, I'm currently in the ICT mentorship. They've got quite a few free playlists on YouTube of their courses for both forex and stocks and futures, so they're really good to consider as well. Can you trade options? I don't trade options. No, bless you. Emily, can you do a review on SMC trading? Been asking for so long. Currently learning more about that and trading it, and so far so good. But once I have a little bit more time under my belt with this style of trading, then I will do a review, definitely. Thanks, Mr. T. Glad I wasn't the only one getting sleepy listening to him to begin with. Does it work with Interactive Broker platform? To be honest, I'm not sure. I've heard of Interactive Broker, but I've never traded with them. I've only used it with MetaTrader. So go onto the Magic Keys website and have a look on there. I'll probably give you some more information. Hey, what do you think about Audacity Capital? They're in London, Canary Wharf. I did do a review on them a while ago, so I'll put a link up for you. But I didn't stick with Audacity Capital. They do it a little bit differently, so you have to pay like a monthly subscription to then have a go at their prop firm, and I just didn't really like that style. It didn't really appeal to me personally. Can I try with a demo account? Well, the 5%ers use MetaTrader 5, so you can always sign up for a free demo with a broker to get familiar with the platform, but as long as you know how to use that, then you can trade with the 5%ers. You don't have to learn anything different. Totally agree with you, Giovanni. Rox does speak about the importance of falling in love with the process, not the gains. And yeah, it's kind of ironic because we do all trade to make money. So that's what one of the most difficult things is with trading, I guess, is to just actually not be bothered about making money and just enjoy the act of trading itself and to try and perfect that skill. And I suppose that once you do that, the money just comes as a side effect. Hey Mark, welcome to the channel. That's cool, you play guitar too. Maybe I will play a bit on one of my videos at some point. Okay, I'll do one more question here and then I'll wrap it up because I think this video is getting quite long. So I've actually looked for your video on my phone. I watched your video on my PC. It really helped me to set up MT4 on my PC. I'm actually a beginner. I'd like to learn how forex really works. Can you please help? I get asked this a lot. A lot of people who come into the market, complete newbies, and want to know how to trade forex. And it's just such a comprehensive topic that it can be so overwhelming to know where to start. And there are so many people out there, and there are a lot of scammers, people who try and influence you to buy their course, or do you have to do this, that, and the other to trade, that you can very quickly become confused and lost. So what I would recommend to you is to have a look at some free material such as Baby Pips. I have got a video that's coming out soon where I'm going to share some free resources with you, so look out for that. And sign up for free with a broker, open a free demo account where you can just practice with fake money. The best thing to do is try to just learn and practice for free, not risking any money to begin with. And then you will start to find your footing with it. But that's it for this Q&A, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Something a little bit different that I'd like to do a little bit more frequently, and I'll try and keep the videos a bit shorter. But if you like the sound of that, let me know by liking the video below, and then I'll know to create more. And continue to comment. I love to hear from you. I hope you all have a brilliant week trading, and I will see you soon. Bye.